Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that saves you from making those I should have read the reviews regretful purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, comparing the ELEGOO Saturn and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. It's a battle of the titans, folks. So grab your popcorn and let's get printing. First up, let's talk about what makes the world go round. Money. The ELEGOO Saturn comes in at a wallet-friendly $352. It's like finding a $20 bill in your old jeans. A nice surprise that doesn't break the bank. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is priced at $719. Ouch! That's a bit more like finding out your car needs new brakes. Necessary, but painful. So if you're on a budget, the Saturn is already scoring points. Next, let's talk about build volume. The ELEGOO Saturn offers a decent 8.6, 2x4.84 x 9.84 inches. It's like the Goldilocks of build volumes. Not too big, not too small, just right. But the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max says, "Hold my filament," and boasts a massive 16.5x 16.5x 19.7 inches. That's like trying to compare a cozy studio apartment to a mansion. If you're planning on printing a life-sized Iron Man suit, the Kobra's got your back. Now, let's talk speed. The ELEGOO Saturn cruises along at 70 millimeters per hour. Not too shabby, it's like driving in the slow lane. You'll get there eventually. But the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max? This thing is a speed demon, with a max speed of 500 millimeters per second. It's basically the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. If you're the impatient type who taps their foot waiting for the microwave, the Kobra is your jam. Quality time. The ELEGOO Saturn sports a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with an impressive resolution of 11,520 by 5,120. It's like watching a movie in IMAX. You see every tiny detail. Plus, it has a fancy Fresnel collimating light source, which sounds like something Tony Stark would invent. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max doesn't skimp on quality either. With its vibration compensation and flow control, it ensures that your prints are as smooth as a jazz saxophone. But let's be real. It's like comparing a Michelin-starred meal to your grandma's cooking. Both are amazing, but in different ways. Ease of use is crucial. The ELEGOO Saturn has a laser-carved build plate for better adhesion, and it comes with Voxel Dance Tango software, which sounds like a dance move, but actually makes your printing life easier. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max takes it up a notch with effortless auto-leveling and a smart app control. You can basically print while binge-watching your favorite series. It's like having a personal assistant for your 3D printing needs. Last but not least, customer support. ELEGOO Saturn, it's a bit quiet on this front. It's like trying to get tech support from a mime. But Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, they offer a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. It's like having a tech-savvy best friend who never leaves your side. Amazon reviewers have praised the ELEGOO Saturn for its build quality, precision, and ease of setup. Users found it to be a reliable and high-quality resin printer, especially for its price point. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max has been highlighted for its fast and precise printing, large build volume, and excellent customer support. Some minor issues were noted, but overall, it is considered great value for its features and support. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Saturn versus the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. If you're on a budget and want great quality, ELEGOO Saturn is your go-to. But if you want speed, size, and a smart experience, and don't mind spending the extra cash, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy shopping and happy printing. Product links are in the description.